can't wait to get on again. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
Zola, say hi.
Again. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
Yes.
I said, I can't wait to get on the road again. She goes, again?
On the road again. Smile.
Mommy, I want to play with my cake. No.
Look at Mommy Nak.
I gotta get out your way.
Look at Mommy. Hi. You wanna play with the kite?
Yeah.
Look at me. So this is our tent. We're gonna sleep in the tent. Kasi dun sa trailer yung in-laws ko, tapos yung kapatid ni Matt tsaka mga bata. Tapos yung isa naman, may isa pang tent doon. Isang kapatid ni Matt tsaka sa mga bata din nila. Kami dito in this tent, we're going to sleep. Ayan. Malaki na tent. Yan. Ayan yung eto dito ako kasi sanay naman akong sa lapag. Eto dito si Zola, ano to air mattress, tapos yan yung sleeping bag niya. Tapos yan kay Matt. Yan. Malaki naman, so cash up for me and Zola, but I'd rather want her to be comfortable enough. Ako komportable naman sa lapag kasi ito it's also a sleeping bag. So okay na yan sa akin, malambot. Mas malambot pa nga yan sa tulugan namin sa Pinas eh. Kasi ito, konti lang yung dinala kasi we'll be staying here for 3 nights. Tapos we'll be staying here for 3 nights. Then the fourth day, we'll be going back to Delta. It's really nice outside. I'm going to show you also. Just gonna change into my shoes. So it's getting dark na, and we're going to prepare for a fire. And yeah, we have a trailer, and there's a trailer, most of our things there to eat, stuff like that. And if we want to hang out there, you know, I'll show you there too. Yep, we're making sausage and pancake for breakfast. So not that primitive style, Dad, huh? Because we have a stove It's not so primitive camping because we have a camper.
This is kind of glamping.
Yeah, glamping. Then we have the another thing here to cook our breakfast. Chainsaw to cut the logs.